You know what? That G run is already starting to sound a little stale to me, so let's talk about some other ways to end your bluegrass solo. There are a couple stock phrases that I've stolen from banjo players and fiddle players, so I'm going to give you a couple of those and set you to work on them just like I did with the G run. Here we go. The first phrase that I want to show you is what I like to kind of think of as a backwards G run. I use it a lot of times as like a secondary ending to my solo. Sometimes you'll hear like Tony Rice and a few other players extend the end of their break by playing a little over into that next phrase. So usually what the band does is they tread water until they hear a really clear phrase like your secondary outro you're about to learn in order to know when to come back into the verse. Check this out. So you can tell my G run phrase was twice as long, and then at the end I went. It kind of traces the same pentatonic pathway that you play with the G run, just in reverse. So you can even end your solo with this if you happen to land on that high G note without hitting a G run. So as you can see, it works both ways. You know what to do next. Go ahead and grab a vocal tune that you like to play and then see if you can stick that reverse G run on at the end.